Everyone wants to day trade to get rich fast and easy. And you can find many videos of millionaire day traders that teach you how to do the same. And I also did the day trading for 1 year, and that's why I can tell you that all these videos are scams. Imagine that, according to scientific papers, 97% of day traders lose money and less than 1% earns more than the average return of the stock market. That's why in this video I want to show you the reasons for which you will lose money with day trading. Let's firstly start with what day trading is. So, day trading is buying and selling stocks in a very short time frame, which means 1 day, 1 hour, or even minutes and seconds. And because of this short time frame, day trading relies on the momentum and on the price fluctuations in order to have a short-term gains, which, as we have seen before, are mostly losses. And the final objective of a day trader is to have more wins than losses. You also have great success stories, and this is the main reason for which new investors start with day trading. Because, for example, you go on YouTube and find plenty of traders that say they make millions every day, every year, and so they try to teach you their way to do it. And I also started like this when I started investing, because I found this Timothy Skies that was doing day trading courses, and I wanted to get rich fast and easy as he did. And there's actually people that really managed to earn impressive amounts of money with day trading. However, there are a lot of things that they don't tell you. Firstly, it is true that you can earn a lot of money very fast. However, you can lose money even faster. And this because there is no diversification in this type of investments. You don't have space for errors because you really work on small price changes, and also because the system is made to make you lose money, because the broker can always close your positions when you are performing badly. But they're not going to close the positions which have a negative impact on your performances, because this way you're going to continue lose money, which means more money for them. Then the commissions are extremely high. Imagine that the average fee for a trade is of $8. And to that, you can add many other type of fees, for example, the overnight fees or the over weekend fee. And this means that even if you have a good performance, all these fees are gonna eat your results and your money. Then it's really difficult to be a good day trader, because you have to learn in the detail what technical analysis is. And I can grant you that it is something extremely difficult, and it requires a lot of time to do it and a lot of experience. So before actually being able to make good money, you really need to spend a lot of time learning, which might also mean to lose a lot of money. Day trading is also extremely time consuming. As said before, you have to learn a lot to be able to perform correctly, but you also have to spend a lot of time in front of the screen to be able to control your trades and to do new ones. And you also have to spend a lot of time reading the news that could impact your trades. And to all of that, you also have to add the fact that the markets are always open. And this means that there are always things that can happen to impact your trades, and that you also have to be really active in order to find the good opportunities. And then there is the emotional part, which might be the most difficult one to manage, especially in such a high-paced environment like day trading. And if to that you add the fact that you're using your own money, it's clear that it is extremely difficult to detach yourself from day trading. And this can produce a lot of stress. At the same time, a lot of people has problems in managing their successes, because once they have a success, they get overconfident, and this makes them to be less careful on what they do, and this always leads to lose even more money. And imagine that we can summarize the emotions in day trading as a cycle which starts with hope of making money. And once you start making some money, you have the greed that comes and you want more and more. Then it passes to the fear, because you always have trades that don't do well. And after that, you have the regret, because you see that your trade didn't go well and you start saying, I should have bought this stock rather than this one, and if I had done that, I would have got a millionaire by now. And all of this is clearly totally unhealthy for anyone. And finally, all this together make day trading not sustainable, because yes, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 trades consecutively that go very well, but this is not something that you can be sure that it will go on for like 100, 1000, 2000, 5000 trades. Because imagine that if the promises that all the YouTubers about day trading were true, you could make 1% per day. But 1% per day would mean that in 8 years, you would be the richest person in the world. And I don't see any of these day traders to be the richest persons in the world. And this just means that they are lying to you. And so if they're lying to you on the performances they have, why would you trust their method? So we've seen that day trading doesn't work, but what can you do instead? Statistics actually shows that it is better to be a passive investment with standard investments, and this is why the way to go is long-term investments. And sure, you won't get rich in 1 year, but over the time you will. And so if now you want to start making money, reducing your risk to the minimum, you can watch this video where I talk about the best books to start investing. Thanks for watching and see you soon.